I don't want to get out of bed. Quick life hack while I'm thinking about it. If you guys work from home and suffer from like basically carpal tunnel like me, because I'm literally always on my laptop at home, or I'm working, or I'm using my phone, would recommend this mouse. I got this one from Amazon, but basically it makes you hold your mouse differently, so you're not like clicking down like this, you're using it like this. And so would recommend, I think it's technically like a gaming mouse, but it's from Anchor. I got this one from Amazon, so just kind of use it like a normal mouse. You get used to it like really quickly. Would recommend if you are a working professional. Okay, I gotta get back to work now. Okay, so it's 9:45. I just finished all my reporting for the morning. Literally when I do my reports in the morning, time flies by. I have about 15 minutes to make breakfast until the next meeting. That one honestly is just like a webcast type of thing, so I don't have to talk or be, you know, like fully in it. It's just kind of giving us updates with our company and with Corona. So I'm not a big breakfast person, but I figured I should probably eat something, and especially during a webcast, it's kind of easy to eat. So let's go whip something up. Okay, so again, today's a breakfast day because we have the webcast. So basically this is what I made. It's kind of like a breakfast salad in a way, and then I always add hot sauce. This week we have Tabasco. So I have this, and then I made an iced chai tea latte. I have the tea, I have the water. I usually just drink random things throughout the day, and I make it all in the morning. So I have to jump on my call, but it's my breakfast. Can we talk about how I ended up working through half of lunch? It's 12:32. I'm really not hungry, which is probably why I kept working, but I do kind of want a break. I am just tired. Basically, I just take my pillow and like hang out right here on the floor. So I'm gonna grab my laptop and I like check up on my phone. It's just me time. I usually make food if I'm hungry, but I'm not. LOL, joke's on me. As soon as I went to go sit down, my camera ran out of storage. Today's a busy day. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep working, honestly, and then check back in a little bit later. So I'm finishing up working, and I just got a call from my concierge downstairs, like my apartment security basically, and they have all our packages, and they said I have 3 or 4 downstairs. So I'm gonna go get the packages and then come back and maybe kind of try to tell you what they are, so BRB. I got one of these. It's a starry like indoor light thing. I have seen these all over online. It's basically supposed to make your room look really cool, so I'm so excited that I got this today because I can show this to you at night. And then the next thing I got was an Eno. So let's open up the Eno. Here it is. I'm also choking because this Lysol is very strong. I also sprayed it very strongly, so got an Eno. Love the color, light blue and dark blue. It's 410. I want to finish this up, so I'm going to keep working and let you know when I'm done. Fun thing. Okay. Work was very busy for me today, basically because I literally was busy from 8 a.m. to 4:30 without very much of a lunch. I need some time to chill, so I'm just gonna go do that. I'm gonna clean my room just a bit actually, so. That's dead. That just needs to go away, but those are all alive. I'm kind of hungry. I know I have some watermelon back here. My snack. Yeah, it's 6:30. I got really tired. I watched some YouTube videos, Love Island. I just chilled. I think what I'm gonna do is just put on a hoodie and do some yoga outside to try to be productive. Disclaimer, I don't know what I'm doing. I just pretend like I know what I'm doing. It's just it's pretty much just like a good stretch. Listen to a podcast. So I usually listen to pretty basic, listen to this for a little bit and do my thing. Okay, this is gonna sound so bad, but I'm gonna be real honest with y'all. It smelled so bad out there. I don't know if it was people in the balcony or around me. I'm just gonna do it. It just didn't smell good. I did not want to be out there anymore. It just smells really bad out there. Is that bad? Okay, I'm gonna go put this mat back up. I feel so lame. And I'm gonna go think about what I wanna do next. I'm gonna go eat this with my kombucha and watch some TV and just relax. So, yeah. I feel like such a little bum. I don't know. So I ate dinner. I am going to go take a shower now. Honestly, I feel like I am a lot more full of energy. I knew this was gonna happen. So it's either because I ate something and I was just hungry and needed energy, which probably is the case, but also I just get super lazy throughout the day. So now it is like 9:30, I'm full of energy. I'm gonna go take a shower, I'm probably gonna go wash my hair, and then I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a little spa time, you know what I'm saying? So let me go take a shower and then we'll do a little something fun, okay? Hold on. Now I look like a 12-year-old girl. Oh, this would be a great time to do before we do the face mask and all that. My poor skin is just dry now. It would be to put on like the cool lights and light some candles and do some spa music. Okay, let's have a real spa night. Hold on. You guys can't really see the lights, but this looks really cool. Step one, don't put in your eyes. Guys, stop it. What? This is sick. Now, no way. Okay. This thing is still blinding me though. Let's put on the face mask. You can put this on. You're supposed to leave it on for about 20 minutes. Okay. In about 20 minutes. My lips feel dry AF. So usually just kind of rub the serum in. Look how cool they look. They're just like gold. They look like little beans. The lip mask. And I usually sleep with this mask on. Do I even make sense half the time? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go play on my phone again on my bed. BRB. Okay, it's time to take them off. It's definitely been longer than 10 minutes. There we go. Just gonna rub these in. And spa night is over. So now it's about 10:30 and 11 o'clock. I think I'm just gonna spend the rest of the night literally just chilling. And I'm just gonna play on my laptop and my phone. This is really just my chill unwind time. It's probably one of my favorite times of the day, and I never want to go to sleep because I always have so much fun, and it's a terrible habit, which is why I'm always tired. So chill time. I still look like a 12-year-old kid, but I'm so tired, and it's only 12:30. So let's blow out the candle. I also have this kit, and so I can put this over it, and it actually does it for me. So you can see the smoke coming out of it. Basically, I don't have to blow into it. So now I'm gonna go into the bathroom and just brush my teeth. Makeup's already off, so let's go. Does anyone else still sleep with the retainers or just me? Forever retainer girl. It's the only reason my teeth are still straight, so. It's 12:50, and just like that, the day's over. I hope one day I can look back at this quarantine vlog and just kind of be like, you know what? You made it. You survived. You're happy. You're thriving. And if I can do this, I definitely feel like I can do anything. I'm tired. I'm gonna go. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon notification button so you get notified every time I post, which has been weekly. So, until next time, I'll talk to you then. Alexa, lights off. Good night.